Are your salespeople tired of hunting to find out whether an account is on credit hold? Or worse yet, only finding out about credit holds after a sale gets bounced back by accounting? With credit hold alerts, your sales team will know about any payment issues with their accounts before they try to make another sale. They can then inform their customers when there is an outstanding balance and potentially help resolve accounting issues that could otherwise go unnoticed by a purchaser. All your accounting team needs to do is check the credit hold box on an account. That account will be flagged as delinquent, and the color over the account name will change to your choice of one of 3 colors, so that everyone on your team will know about any credit holds as soon as they access a flagged account record.